management information system, theoretically, it's like any tool which gathers, integrate, and disseminate or share the project management knowledge or information with the project management team and project stakeholders, can serve as PMIS. The tool can be manual, like very manual one. The tool can be automated. For instance, one very common example for automated PMIS, which the PMIS always serves this. Any tool absolutely, which serves this purpose, gathering the information, integrating them to make it useful information, and then sharing it with the right stakeholders and audience is PMIS in the terminology of PMI. Manual can be even Excel or spreadsheet. It serves the same purpose. It gathers the data, integrate, and make it like useful information or report, charts, graphs, and you share that report and charts, graphs to the right audience. It will make it PMIS. PMIS is just like a terminology, like categorization. Any tool that fulfills this idea can qualify for that. Automated is like where the gathering, integration, and dissemination is going to be done in an automated manner without involving human intervention. For instance, SharePoint. Microsoft SharePoint is a very good example of automated PMIS. SharePoint has automated workflows, Nintex workflows, which can be completely, customized to gather the data from the relevant databases and sources, integrate it to make it a useful report as per the expectation, and sharing via email or company portals can all be done without any intervention once the workflow is established. This is also PMIS. There can be many other PMIS as well. Any change management software, any configuration management software, any risk management software, any financial management software can be PMIS. For the exam, you should be knowing the PMIS, what PMIS does, especially in the communication and stakeholder related questions. You may come across PMIS as one of the options. So when to eliminate PMIS and when to include PMIS, you should be understanding that. Based on, from a definition perspective, you will not get more than this content. And in the book, PM book, or maybe in the simulator, you may also see certain categories of tools which qualifies for PMIS, like software tools, change management tools, financial tools, configuration management tools, risk management tools, which is also fine. These are also, they call it examples, but I call it subcategories. These are not examples of PMIS. I am giving you the example of PMIS. Even your cloud drive, Outlook Drive, Google Drive is an example of manual PMIS. For instance, I shared the data with you over gdrive. What do? I gather the relevant data. I integrate it in a more organized and useful way, and then I share it with the right people. Am I not doing? Am I not using a PMI? I'm also using a PMI. gdrive is PMI. Any cloud-based mechanism uses PMI.